Alright, in this video we'll be looking at constructing a 30-degree angle by bisecting a 60-degree angle. So step one, obviously step one is going to be to construct a 60-degree angle. So let's go through the steps for constructing a 60-degree angle. So we get 30 by bisecting a 60-degree angle. So step one, we're going to draw a line segment AB of length 10 centimeters. So draw a line segment AB and the length is 10 centimeters. In practice, however, 5 or 6 centimeters is sufficient. So I label the ends A and B. Then I'm going to open the compass to a suitable radius, and with A as center, I'm going to scribe an arc to cut line segment AB at C. So these are steps which I would take to construct a 60-degree angle. So A as center, I scribe my arc, and I have to ensure that the arc comes around and cuts the line AB at C. So now C is at 0 degrees. Step 3 says, without shifting the compass and with C as center, I'm going to scribe an arc to intersect the first arc at D. So with C as center and without shifting the compass, that means that initial distance that I set the compass to, that initial radius, which gave me AC, that initial radius must not change. Alright, so without shifting means that the distance between the metal tip and the pencil point, that initial radius must not change. So with C as center, same radius, I scribe my arc. Alright, the second arc cut the first arc at D. Now a line from A through D. A line from A through D would give me 60 degrees. But 60 degrees is not what I want. So if I'm thinking that along this arc I'm indicating angles, C would be at 0 degrees and D would be at 60 degrees. 90 is in the middle between, 30 is in the middle between 0 and 60 degrees. That is 1. Now a line from A through D would have given me 60 degrees, but I don't want 60 degrees. What I want is 30. 30 is in the middle between C, which is at 0, and D, which is at 60. So I'm going to bisect that. Alright, so without shifting the compass and with D as C as centers, I'm going to scribe two arcs to intersect at E in front of A. So again, without shifting the compass, so that initial radius, which is AC, which is also what CD, that radius has not changed. I simply know what with my metal tip still at D, I scribe an arc in front of A. Then I move the metal tip from D to C, scribe a second arc without shifting the compass, and the two arcs intersect at E in front of A. Now a line from A through E, that line is the bisector. Alright, it divides the 60-degree angle into two equal halves. So I'm going to call the top part there F. Then I'm going to use a protractor and measure my angle. When you're using the protractor to measure an angle, the center of the protractor goes to the vertex of the angle, which is at A. The line AB must run along 0. 0 on the protractor must rest above or on top of the line AB. So the line AB is my 0 line. Using the outer scale that starts on, a matter of fact, I think it looks like it's the inner scale that starts from 0. Using the inner scale that starts from 0, I'm going to go up 10, 20, 30. Alright, so that angle there, angle A, the angle A, BAF is equal to 30 degrees. So if I'm indicating angles along this arc, C is at 0, G is at 30 degrees, D is at 60 degrees. So this is how we construct a 30-degree angle by bisecting a 60-degree angle.